Let's learn to build GUIs with Python using the tkinter module. This is the tkdemo.py file. In this, we import tkinter, create a top window, and enter the main loop. And then we run this, so we get a top window. Let's modify this code to add a button to this window. The hello callback function displays a message, and B is a button we place at the coordinates 300 and 100. If we click this button, it displays hello guest. Now here we create a canvas of certain height and width and create an arc and a line on it. This is two checkboxes, one for pizza and one for fries. We can select none, both, or one. L1 is a label and E1 is an entry. We can type something in here. This is a frame with 3 buttons, 1, 2 and 3. 1 is in red, 2 is in blue and 3 is in the color green. This is a list box. It has 4 items: Hindi, Romanian, English and Gujarati. It lets us select an option from the list. This is a menu button. Clicking it gives us 2 options: the hairstyles balayage and sombre. And this is an entire bar of menu, but with file and edit for now. File has the options new, open, save, close and exit. And edit has undo, cut, copy, paste and delete. This should remind you of the menu in your regular notepad on Windows, or even that in your favorite IDLE. Now these are radio buttons. We can only select one at a time. If we select fries, it says enjoy your fries. This scale is a slider from 0 to 100. We can also click the button to get the value of the slider. Since this text is too long to fit this window, we implement a vertical scroll bar. We can scroll up and down. And this is just text, so we formatted it to look pretty. Does it? We've added background color as well as text color. Here we implement a top level window, another window on top of this. And this is a spin box that goes from 0 to 18. There's no -1 or 19 to it. This is a paned window. We have an entry field and a scale here. This is a label frame. We can see that this must contain some lyrics for a song. And this is a message box. When we click on it, it pops out a message.